Hey, what's up? My name is Dan from D Squared Marketplace, and welcome to day one of building something real for your future. Today, we're going to dive into one of the biggest misunderstandings on the internet today. What's the difference between affiliate marketing and passive income? Because if you get this wrong from the start, you could waste months and maybe even years of just spinning your wheels, getting frustrated, and then quitting. Now, before we get too deep, real quick, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so that way we can get this content pushed out to more people like us. Okay, affiliate marketing. That's where you promote someone else's product or service and you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. But here's the funny thing. You're already doing affiliate marketing in your everyday life without even realizing it. Check this out. You go see a movie, you really like the movie, you tell your friend to go see that movie. Or maybe you recommend your favorite running shoes because, well, they're the most comfortable running shoes you've ever worn. Or maybe you were just in buying another gadget for your kitchen. You loved it so much you told your neighbor that they also had to have that same gadget. That's affiliate marketing, but without the paycheck. In true affiliate marketing, you simply formalize that natural recommendation process. You get an affiliate link, you share it, and when someone buys because they trust you, you get rewarded for that. Sounds simple, I know, but here's the truth. It's not automatic. You've got to build the trust, the audience, and the system in order for it to work properly. You're not just throwing the link out there hoping for miracles. You're actually building a bridge between folks with real problems, and you can offer that real solution, and you can point them towards that through your affiliate link. Now, passive income, on the other hand, that's money that continues to flow with minimal ongoing effort passively. Think of it like planting a tree. You dig, you water, you nurture, but eventually that tree, it's going to grow on its own and it's going to bear its own fruit. Passive income can come from real estate, dividend stocks, creating a course, and yeah, even affiliate marketing when done right. But none of it's truly passive at the start. That's the part of the internet that rarely tells you the truth. Affiliate marketing can become passive, but not instantly. First, there's hustle. You create a blog, YouTube channel, email funnels, assets that work for you long term. You've made them. The magic is that one blog post can pay you over time. One YouTube video like this one could bring in commissions while you're sleeping. One email funnel could build you a business that feeds you daily. But it's built on effort, consistency, and strategy. Now, just a quick reminder, if you could, please subscribe to the channel if this information is resonating with you so far. Okay, check this out. There are 3 ways to make affiliate marketing more passive. And the first is reoccurring commissions. Focus on promoting products that offer monthly subscription commissions. One great example is a tool that I use called vidIQ. It helps YouTubers grow their channel. Every time someone signs up for a paid plan through your link, you earn a commission. And if they stay subscribed, you keep getting paid month after month after month. In fact, it's the perfect example of how affiliate marketing can turn into true passive income. Now, just a quick side note. If you're serious about growing your YouTube channel and you'd like to use the same tool I personally use, check out my link for vidIQ. It's in the comments in the description below. It supports the channel and could seriously change your growth game. The second is evergreen content. Create content that's always relevant, like best budget for cameras video for YouTubers, or how to save money on insurance, or how to start an online business. For example, you could create a tutorial about how to use vidIQ for YouTube growth that ranks in search and brings in new traffic, which will bring in new commissions every single month. And the third is email automations. You build a list, you nurture that list, and you sell to that list automatically through honest, smart email campaigns. You set it up once and it keeps working for you 24/7. This is the muscle that we're building together, one day at a time. Now, if you don't understand the difference, you are going to get frustrated. You're going to wonder why everybody else is making money and you aren't. And that's only going to frustrate you And I don't want that. When in reality, you just didn't have the roadmap. That's why I'm giving you my first 4 things you need to start an online business cheat sheet. All you need to do is comment "start" from this video, and I'll send it to you personally. It's a document you're going to want to have in your possession. And hey, if you're serious about stacking up real wins, you need to track your habits, you need to track your goals, and you need to track your mindset. That's why I created the 1 Year, 1 Journey Journal. It's the tool I wish I had when I started. The link is in the description below if you want to check that out on Amazon. Look, affiliate marketing is one of the fastest ways to build passive income, but don't be fooled. It takes real work up front. It takes showing up even when nobody's clapping. It takes believing in the person you're becoming, not just the money that you're chasing. You're not just going to learn to make money online here. You're learning how to build a business. You're learning how to build a life. And you're learning how to win the long game, because that's what this is. You could like, subscribe, and comment "start" to grab your cheat sheet. I'll make sure that you get that cheat sheet. And I'll see you in the next video, because this is just the beginning.